I believe you asked one of the other girls a very difficult question in the final set to. I've got it down here. It was, if ignorance is bliss, why do people seek knowledge?
Yeah.
That was a question you posed for one of your opponents.
That was a question.
Difficult question.
That was a question I was asked for Miss India. That was my final judging question.
Was that a fair question, do you think? Because it really put the girl on the spot, didn't it?
We all had given in 5 questions. If we became finalists, asked the other girls, and the most difficult one got.
It was Miss Uruguay who got asked the question. Did she have a go at you afterwards?
She just came backstage and told me, it's an intelligent question. I said that was an intelligent answer.
So it was okay in the end?
Yeah, it was all right. She was very happy. I'm a very stage person. I love people. And when you get on stage, you get completely composed all the time, because I've done a lot of theatre before, and I've been on stage quite often, and plus after Miss India, which was a huge audience, about 70,000 people. So this didn't seem as overwhelming as I thought it would be.